What's up guys, with the launch of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 inching closer, we are pretty confident in saying that Samsung's phablet flagship has once again been thoroughly leaked to death well ahead of its official release. We already know that the Note 10 will have a selfie hole punch camera much like the Galaxy S10 and the S10 Plus, but it will be centered instead of offset. We also know that there is going to be the Note 10 model with 4 main cameras, that the S Pen won't be much different from last year, and that the design will have sharper corners than previous iterations. What we also assumed to know, but actually got wrong, was Samsung's naming scheme for the Note 10. Rumors suggested that this year there would be a handful of Note models, including a base version and Pro and the 5G variants. As it turns out, however, Samsung decided to stick with its Galaxy S series naming convention, so the Galaxy Note 10 Pro is actually going to be called Galaxy Note 10 Plus. This was revealed in a set of hands-on pictures of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 leaked by TechTalkTv on Twitter. As is the case with all early hands-on images and video leaks, the quality of the pictures is absolutely horrible, but there are tellable details that lend them credibility. Just as we expected, the Note 10 seems to have a centered selfie camera and it appears to be somewhat smaller than the one on the Galaxy S10. Taking a closer look at the two pictures where the front-facing camera is visible, there seems to be a factory protector pre-applied on the screen. The edge of the camera cutout in the protector is also visible in both shots, as it catches a reflection from the overhead light. Moving around the back, in true early hands-on fashion, the only photo we have of the camera on the Note 10 Plus is an absolute mess of motion blur. Still, the remote quad camera is visible and fairly recognizable from what we have seen from renders. We haven't yet been able to confirm the legitimacy of the leaked images, but from what we have seen, this may very well be our first real look at the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. A blurry and low-resolution look, but our first nonetheless. So yeah, that's it for today. Now what's your thoughts on this? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, smash the subscribe button and press the bell icon for more latest news. And as always, I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. Peace out.